Welcome back to TMIMSDump, your go-to channel for educational content on legal case studies. Today, we'll dive into a famous case study, Kedar Nath vs. Gorie Mohamed, that sheds light on the Indian Contract Act. Through this case, we'll unravel the complexities of the act and its practical implications in contract law. So, let's get started. Background: the case revolves around Kedar Nath and Gorie Mohamed, who entered into a contract for the purchase of goods. However, a dispute arose when Gorie Mohamed failed to deliver the goods as agreed. This led to legal proceedings where the court analyzed the Indian Contract Act to determine the rights and obligations of the parties involved. Key concepts of the Indian Contract Act. To understand the case better, let's explore some key concepts of the Indian Contract Act. The Act defines and governs contracts in India, establishing the legal framework for enforceable agreements. It covers essential elements such as offer, acceptance, consideration, capacity, and legality. Case analysis. In the case of Kedar Nath vs. Gorie Mohamed, the court examined whether a valid contract existed between the parties. It evaluated the elements of offer, acceptance, and consideration, which are crucial for a contract to be legally binding. Importance of offer and acceptance. The court emphasized that a valid contract requires a clear and unambiguous offer made by one party and the unconditional acceptance of that offer by the other party. It further highlighted that both parties must agree on the same terms and intentions to establish a valid contract. Understanding consideration. Consideration refers to something of value exchanged between the parties as part of the contract. The court examined whether adequate consideration was provided in the case and whether it was lawful and not against public policy. Court's decision and impact. After careful consideration, the court ruled in favor of Kedar Nath, holding Gorie Mohamed liable for breaching the contract. The decision reinforced the importance of upholding contractual obligations and ensuring that agreements are honored. Lessons learned. This case study provides us with valuable lessons. It highlights the significance of clear offer and acceptance, consideration, and lawful agreements. It reminds us of the importance of fulfilling our contractual obligations and the consequences of breaching those obligations. Conclusion. That concludes our analysis of the famous case study, Kedar Nath vs. Gorie Mohamed, under the Indian Contract Act. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of the Act and its practical implications in contract law. Don't forget to subscribe to TMIMSDump for more engaging content on legal case studies and simplified explanations of complex laws.